Hi everybody, it's Fred, and it's about noon on Saturday, the 9th of February, and the storm is beginning to end now, so cleanup is beginning. So just wanted to give you a view of first time I've actually been able to get 10 feet away from the apartment building. We've had about 2 feet of snow, and there's still a ban on driving. They haven't raised it. They haven't opened up the roads yet. The governor shut them down. Actually, that was a pretty smart thing to do, except for people who needed to get to, doctors and nurses and police officers, etc. So that worked out well. I don't think anyone's actually gotten arrested for driving illegally, but the whole idea was to keep everyone off the road, and it did work. And right now, everyone's beginning to dig out. I just spent a half an hour digging out my car. I'll show you. I'm going to have to keep moving it. And it's going to be a little while before everyone's able to get moving again. Yeah. Until probably Monday, because it's still kind of windy out. It's bitter cold.
You know when it's going to stop? When they say it's going to stop?
Right now is
the end of it, pretty much.
The end of it. What we're going to get is still the wind, and it's going to get bitter cold tonight.
Nice, perfect.
So stay close to home. So I'll show you a little more up here. 18 hours ago, let me put it this way. 30 hours ago, there was no snow. So right now, this is the sidewalk. It's basically up to my waist now. Some of the snow, this drift that they had to cut through. Officially at Logan Airport, I think they had like 22 inches of snow. There's my car. I actually have moved it. It was here. Took me a half an hour to dig it out. But Freddie, being from Syracuse, New York, had a shovel in the back of his car, although I haven't used it in 2 years. So people are in the process of beginning to dig out. So it's kind of funny. Like I said, 30 hours ago, there was nothing here. So quite a bit of snow for this area in one short time. And everyone's beginning to dig out, get out of this person's way. Everyone's beginning to plow a little bit now and start to dig out. It's going to be a process. This car, perfect example. This is like hasn't been dug out yet, so. And over here, this is what they look like when they haven't gotten dug out yet. I did post a lot of videos off of the TV, also on this channel if you want to check them out. from all three major stations here in Boston. I guess they had at Logan Airport, which is like, it's in Boston. It's right on the edge of the Atlantic Ocean. They had a wind gust of, I guess, 76 miles an hour, which was really hard to believe. I think the peak winds up here were honestly 40, 60 mile an hour gusts, but it was really wicked. That's a Boston term, wicked. It was pretty wicked up here last night and early this morning. And right now it is cold. It's beginning to stop, thanks be to God. And actually it's supposed to go up into the 40s next week and some rain. Typical New England weather. But as of right now, it's going to be spending most of Saturday digging out, and the plows coming by. Yeah, we'll walk down this way again, so I won't get run over by other people. So let's go down here. I'm sure I'm actually filming this on my iTouch, which is probably going to freeze at some point, so it wasn't made to be out. It's actually at 18 degrees right now, so, and it's windy. My hands are freezing, but I wanted to get some video at ground level here. There is, this is where it's going to end. There's no sidewalk. Well, it's going to be a while before we're able to dig out. Okay, folks, this is Fred. I'll try to post some more videos later. Take care for now.